Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to do another toys review. On this time, a Devo robot. We're going to check this thing out and see what it can really do. Let's hop right in. Alright guys, here it is, the Devo robot. Look at this thing. It's the robot itself. Got the box right here. And the remote. The instructions are next to the box too. Alright, let me let you go right there. Alright. So, first we got, obviously, turn it on. Oh, that sound effect. When it first turns on, it'll do this little thing. Like, it'll go forwards without me not even doing anything, and then go backwards. Alright. This thing can obviously go forwards, it could go backwards, it could glide, it could turn. And like this too. And you could kinda make it go you can make it kind of walk like this, and turn it like this. But that's not all it could do. It has a few more features. A dance feature, which just makes it do this. Oh my gosh. It makes it dance by doing a bunch of the controls and stuff with music. It's pretty fun. Alright. You could press the dance mode again. You could press the forward button or the backwards button. It doesn't really matter to turn the dance mode off. Alright. The last thing you could do here is you could program it to do things with this button on the controller on the right side. So you press that, and it'll make this noise. You could make it go forward, backwards, maybe even add some turns into there. And if I let go, it does everything I told it to do without me having to do it. So see, I'm not even doing anything. I could kind of just command it to do that. It's pretty cool. I like the dancing feature and the programming feature a lot. It also, did I mention it has motion control? There's a button on its chest that says that, and you could press it. It's right above the sensors of the robot too. You could make it go forwards by doing this. And you could kind of make it turn. I'm not sure how to make it go backwards, but I think doing this somewhat makes it go. Somewhat makes it turn. Yeah, like that, exactly like that. It has different sounds when it's being motion controlled too. You could just press that again, or press the forward button. It's pretty cool. I like all the modes this has on here, especially the motion control, dancing, programming, and all that. Has a lot of features to mess around with, and I think this would be a great birthday gift, Christmas gift, any one of those. So I'd recommend this Devo robot. I'll give it a 9 out of 10 if I were to rate it a 1 out of 10. Alright, well, that was me doing a little review on my Devo robot. Maybe you can leave in the comments if you liked it or not. But yeah, make sure to check out my other videos. I do even more toys reviews, and science experiments. I think you'll like them. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.